Welcome to Balai Ramirez, a place where you can really relax, reflect, and rest. If ever you're searching for the calmness of your soul and embrace a New Zealand feel, come to Balai Ramirez. Balai Ramirez is hidden in Barangay Comalisquis, Don Salvador Benedicto, in Negros Occidental. With Balai Ramirez, the rainy season becomes worthwhile for a cozy and memorable staycation. Talking about rainy staycation, it's time of the year when you can relax and keep yourself warm. This laid-back vacation home rental is the perfect place to set a sentimental mood, read a book, or create a special moment with your loved one. If you're aiming for total relaxation, the rooms of Balai Ramirez will never disappoint you.